In the old days, a mold maker would build a tool from a print. These prints would be on huge rolls, totally detailed, would have every single nut, washer and screw and pin, everything in it. These days, modern technology, we do everything on the computer with CAD files. So a customer sends us a CAD file, we take that and import that into our CAM software. Then the computer sends that data to the house, and the machine then basically follows that code which was created on the computer.